It's now fine.
Opportunity to approach our Hebrew studies not only from the point of view of reading and analyzing the Hebrew letter combinations with vowels, but also to engage our ears and take it off the page a little bit and make it more of an active conversational experience. This is another approach for us to learning the Hebrew. And part of that experience can be looking at the words without vowels. So I won't be your only teacher, obviously. I'm just getting everybody started, and you'll have more advanced classes most likely. You need to have good listening skills and listen carefully to your mualimu and repeat after your teacher as best you can using your ear rather than relying on exclusively your reading. So today we're going to do a little bit of modern Hebrew conversation. Basically, what city are you from? And we can ask each other, what city are you from? And when we ask and we get a response, then we can, in what country is such a city? So basically, in English, the exercise would be, Joseph, what city are you from? Joseph, you could respond in English. Joseph, what city are you from?
I am in Nairobi City.
And in what country is Nairobi City?
Kenya.
Oh, okay. So we would say Nairobi City is in Kenya to make a nice complete sentence. So that's basically the way the exercise goes in English. Let me help you understand how it goes in Hebrew. Let me be together with you guys. Here we go. Repeat after me. Me'ezo.
Maestro.
Ear.
Ear.
Ata.
Pata.
Ata.
Me'ezo.
Me'ezo.
Maestro.
Ear.
Air.
Ata.
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 Me'ezo means which. Ear means city. And ata means you. Me'ezo means from which. Ear means city. And ata means you. Me'ezo, from which. Ear, city. Ata, are you. Me'ezo, ear, ata. The answer will be ani, together ani.
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 Me.
Me.
And then it would be either Nairobi or Harrisburg or Philadelphia, like that. So in the case of Trevor, kindly, Trevor, what is your city again?
I'm not in a city. I'm in a town called Allness.
So Trevor's response would be ani.
We have some.
That's a nice song, Gideon. What is that? Some Afro beats in the background. Maybe, yeah, there you go. The response would be ani, together ani.
Ani.
Me ones.
May Allness.
I'm from Ones. In the case of Joseph, are you actually in Nairobi City or are you just tricking us? That's okay. That's okay. You don't have to respond. I'm cool. Basi. Sawa Basi.
I'm in Kutus, but Yes.
Endelea.
But Kutus is not a city.
Right.
Yes.
So okay, so in the case of Joseph, it would be Ani, together, Ani,
Ani
me Nairobi city.
Nairobi City.
Very good. So Maria, what's the name of your city?
Indianapolis.
So Maria, you would say Ani,
Ani,
me Indi.
may Indy.
You got it?
Ani, may Indy.
Ani means I. Me means from. And Indianapolis. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So Gideon, you're going to ask Maria, what city are you from? And Maria will answer Anime, Indianapolis. Gideon, kindly ask Maria, me ezo ir at.
Maria,
Yes.
is there air at?
Ani, may Indianapolis.
Yofi, yafem ma'od.
Top odds.
Tov ma'od. Trevor, you're going to ask Gideon, and I'll help you again with this because these are all just listening skills. Me ezo
May Azel,
ir
Ir,
ata.
Ata.
So you'll go Gideon, me ezo ir ata. Gideon.
Okay. Gideon. May Azel, Ye, Ata.
Mombasa.
Oh, okay. I begin to see a pattern here. So, Gideon, you wouldn't say you're from Lamu because that's not really a city, right?
Yeah, Lamu is not a city.
So this is the same thinking where, like, we might say Nairobi City instead of Kutus. We might say Mombasa instead of Lamu, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. Joseph, kindly ask Mwalimu Meezo Ir Ata.
Rabbi, may eze ir ata.
Ani Me Harrisburg. Harrisburg Ir Yafa. Vikatana, Uktana. Harrisburg is a very nice city and small. Joseph, kindly ask Gideon, or rather, Joseph, kindly ask Maria again, from what city is she?
Maria,
Yes.
may eze ir ata.
Okay, hold on. Let's remember that Maria is a girl, so we have to use at.
Oh, yes.
Ezo ir at. Once more kindly.
Maria, may eze ir
Yes.
at.
Ani, ma Indianapolis.
Okay, Maria, kindly ask Trevor, me ezo ir ata.
May who?
Trevor,
Trevor.
me
Yes.
ezo
May Azo
ir
ir
ata.
ata.
Ani me
Ani May Ones.
ones. Very nice. Gideon, me ezo ir ata. Joseph, me ezo ir ata.
Ani,
Uh-huh.
Ani me
May. Okay, I guess the audio is cutting in and out. Joseph, meezo ir ata?
Ani may Nairobi, Kenya.
Okay. Oh, okay. So the question that follows would be Be'ezo Medina, Nairobi. So if I said Be'ezo Medina, Nairobi, it would be in what country is Nairobi? Be'ezo Medina, Nairobi. And then the answer would be Nairobi, Kenya. Try that, Joseph. Nairobi, Kenya.
Nairobi, Kenya.
And we recognize the bet as a preposition that means with. Means with.
Yeah.
So in the case of Gideon, Be'ezo Medina, Mombasa.
Meezo Medina Kenya.
No,
No.
the answer is Mombasa, Kenya. Mombasa is in Kenya. That's the answer. The question is Be'ezo Medina, Mombasa. So that's the question, and your response is Mombasa, Kenya.
Oh, Mombasa, Kenya.
Kindly Gideon, ask Trevor, Be'ezo Medina, Ones.
Trevor,
Yeah.
Be'ezo Medina, which city?
Ones.
Honest.
Owness, but Scotland.
Okay. Very nice.
Tov
Ones.
Meod.
Tov Ma'od. Tov Ma'od, Ones, Scotland. So if I asked Maria, Be'ezo Medina, Indianapolis, you'd say Indianapolis, the United States. So Maria, Be'ezo Medina, Indianapolis.
Indianapolis, the United States.
Very nice. So you could ask me also, Dan, Be'ezo Medina. Can you try that together with me? Be'ezo
Be'ezo
Medina.
Medina.
Medina. Be'ezo Medina, Harrisburg. Try that. Be'ezo Medina, Harrisburg.
Be'ezo Medina.
Okay, our audio got a little bit verdrugled there.
Be'ezo Medina, Harrisburg.
Okay. Harrisburg, Gamkane, the United States. Harrisburg is also in the United States. Okay, very nice. I feel like I've totally excluded Carlos from this conversation, and I think the reason is because I only see 4 people on my list. Carlos, kindly unmute and allow me to work with you on this exercise. Thank you. Mashlomcha, Carlos.
טוב מאוד.
מה אתה עושה היום?
היום אני... how do you say? Study?
ללמוד עברית?
אה,
אני מלמד
כן.
עברית.
אני לומד עברית ולומד for my exam.
Oh, okay. בהצלחה, good luck.
תודה רבה.
Carlos, מאיזו עיר אתה?
בפנמה. בפנמה סיטי. אני בפנמה סיטי.
באיזו מדינה, פנמה סיטי?
Panama City Panama. Eretz Panama.
The Eretz Panama.
Wow.
Not exactly Eretz Yisrael, but Eretz Panama. Very nice. Let us give, oh, Lolly is coming in. Great. Habari yako Lawi Wasonga. Karibu sana. Let us give Carlos an opportunity to demonstrate his reading to us. I'm going to bring in a worksheet which is a little bit more advanced, and let's see if he can challenge our leaders. We like to do little competitions in this class. But in this case, we're just giving you a chance to do some reading for us and enjoy your reading. We're going to take a look at the purple level. Let's see if that's too much for you. Okay, we're looking at some somewhat longer words, Carlos.